fixing a window switch, Mazda 6, 2007 model. Look at it here. There's no light on it, so it's dead. I've tested it and confirmed that it's dead, need to be replacement. I ordered for a new one online. It came. And immediately I open it and I'm fixing back to test it and see. So I'm not fixing it to see the result it will give to me. I'm fixing right now. Let me see how it goes. Look at how it goes. Yeah. See, it's working perfectly. It's a new one. And if you see that place, you see there's light there now. It now indicate light. So that shows you that it's working. And there's current there. So I now tie it back. After tightening it back, then I'll test it. We'll see how it goes. I'm now tightening it. Just look at the process. It's not too difficult. Okay. I'm not tightening it. I finished tightening it. So I'm putting it back. It just clips. When you fix them very well, the clips, so that the clips will not break. Fix them very well and press them back. The clip will just hear pat, 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 pat. They've been fixed. So now I'll test it now, right now, to see what I bought, whether it's working. Look at it. It worked perfectly okay. And it was very cheap to buy them. I ordered them in line. It came and I fixed it back myself. It's working perfectly. So you now see this new one. When you check out some few buttons there, you see the light there under. This is the old one that been replaced. So if you check there, if you check where I put this in my hand, you see some dot light there, indicators when it's working. I hope you try this yourself at home.